What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a tour of my bedroom. This is my first YouTube video, so I'm going to give you guys a brief introduction before getting into the actual tour. My name is Tyler, but one of my nicknames is T-Boogie. I'm a 22-year-old college student. Last year I transferred from a community college to now a university, so I've been in this apartment a little over a year now. I just finished my room and I'm pretty much happy with everything that's in it. I do have a few changes that I'm going to make in the future, which I'm going to mention in my tour, but I didn't bring anything from my old room back when I was staying with my mom. Everything in here has been bought within the last year, so I'm going to show you everything and I'm going to tell you where I got it from. Also, everything is pretty affordable as well. But anyways, make sure you guys follow my Instagram because I do want to start posting on there, and I do plan on doing a Q&A soon so you guys can get to know me better. But anyways, let's get into the room tour. So here's a quick overview of what my room looks like currently. I just got off work, so it's morning time, so I thought I'd film this video real quick. I'm going to show you guys my bedroom, then bathroom and closet next. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is my bed, because that's one of the first things that I bought when I moved in. My bed and my mattress is from Zenith. I just got the it's a dark gray fabric. And I bought the memory foam mattress. My bed is a USB bed, so it's 2 USB ports on both sides of my headboard. I don't have my bed plugged in right now, so it's not gonna work. They take forever to charge my phone, so I don't even use them. On my bed, I have all of this is from Target, except for these 2 pillows. I bought these from Walmart. Right above my bed, I have this painting. I bought this from Wayfair. It's an abstract painting. I wanted something to go above my bed, and this went perfect, and it's the perfect size too. Right next to my bed, I just have this candle, elephant, and lamp that I got these from Home Goods. I don't know why I bought that little elephant, but I kept seeing them in Home Goods, so I was like, let me just buy one. In my nightstand, I got a little charger in there and more candles. Right next to that, I have my Christmas tree. I just got back home because you guys know I'm on break from school, so I was staying at my mom's, but I thought I'd show you guys my Christmas tree since I still have it up. It'll probably be down before I post this video. But anyways, I always wanted a white tree, so that's why I bought this one. All this is from Amazon. The ornaments and the star came together in like a little kit. These little needles and the skirt came separate. So yeah, it's just a little, it's 4 feet tall. It was only $20, and it didn't come with lights either. So I went to Walmart and bought a little strip and wrapped it around. But it looked pretty nice. So right here, I just have my microwave and mini fridge. This is also one of the first few things that I purchased. The kitchen is actually right outside my bedroom, so I really didn't need these, but it was already purchased, so it is what it is. And it's nice having my, you know, my food close to me. I still use that refrigerator out there too, especially for the things I have to put in the freezer, or if I'm planning on cooking something and I have a lot of stuff, then I'll use the big refrigerator out there. But for the most part, I keep all my stuff in here because it's a pretty nice size, and it actually has a little freezer part too. You can store stuff in the door. I bought this from Amazon, and the microwave is from Walmart, and this little stand right here, I got this from Amazon as well, and it also comes with a little basket down there. I also keep some of my snacks down there, and it also has another shelf that I didn't use. But yeah, that's that. I just thought about it, and I think I might actually just like clear all of this out, get rid of this, and put an actual desk on this wall, so I can have like a, you know, a space to edit and do my schoolwork, because I really don't have that. I got a little pull-out desk, but it'd be nice to have like a, you know, a designated work area in my, you know, workspace in my room. But because I really don't need a refrigerator, but you know, it's nice to have though. But I don't know. Next, my dresser. I bought my dresser and both of my nightstands from Ashley Furniture. It's pretty nice. This is where I got most of my clothes, the things that's not hung up in my closet. I keep them in here, but yeah, it's pretty nice. It's got pretty big drawers too. But yeah, that's my dresser. Next, I just have my TV that I got for Black Friday. I wasn't going to get a TV originally because I really don't watch TV like that, but it's nice. I like to listen to my music and watch YouTube videos on it. It's just a Google TV. You connect, you set it up through the Google Home app, and it connects to all your apps and stuff, like the typical smart TV. But yeah, I do want it mounted, so I think I'm gonna find someone to put it up on the wall in the future. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Next, I just have my full body mirror that I got from Walmart. I had one before, but it was much smaller, so I just wanted a bigger one. Right next to that, I have my all black curtains that I got from Burlington, and that rod is from Walmart as well. On this side of my bed, I just have my other nightstand. I got my little lamp and diffuser sitting right here that I got from Home Goods. In this drawer, I just have all my YouTube stuff sitting right there, sitting here right now. This is actually the camera that I'll be filming off of once I get my setup right. I just have, you know, my batteries, battery chargers, mics, phone holder, all that good stuff. Below that, I just have my laptop and mouse. Right next to that, I have my fish tank, which is one of the few things that I brought from home. I had 2 fish tanks, but I had one on this side, and I had one on the other side of my bed where my Christmas tree is sitting right now. But I got rid of that one. I drained that one, got rid of it because it was only a few fish, so I just put them all in here. I just have some neon Tetris, and I have one black skirt Tetra. They're doing pretty good. I did redo this tank. I had gravel and initially in both of my tanks, but now I have black diamond sand. So, and I got black glass too, so you can really see the fish, and the decoration is real better now. They're all swimming to the front of the tank because they think they're fun to eat. I only really cut the light on when I'm going to feed them, so I think I'm gonna give them a little something to eat. So I'm just gonna drop a little bit in the tank now. Let's see. They take a minute to sink down. You guys probably can't even see the pellets. They're really small, but they're definitely eating them. Yeah, you see them, they're going crazy. The black skirt is a little more aggressive, but I mean, he's not big enough to eat them or anything, so I haven't had any issues with him so far, so it's been pretty good. But yeah, that's my fish tank. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys my restroom. This is what it's looking like. Nothing special, but here it is. I got my little cabinet here. I don't have anything in there right now. This little paper towel holder I got from Ross. I don't know where I got these clippers from, but this hand soap dispenser and the toothbrush holder and trash bin and toilet bowl cleaner came from a set that I bought off of Amazon. And I got these towels from Ross, and my shower curtain is also from Ross. So, and the rugs I bought from Burlington. So yeah, that's that. Here's another view of my restroom. Okay, so next I have my closet, which is the only thing in my room that I'm not 100% satisfied with. I just got rid of a lot of my clothes. I took them to Goodwill, but I do plan on putting a lot more clothes in here and getting a lot more shoes. And I also have a lot of things I have to store in here, so I'm kind of stuck about, you know, how I'm gonna go about that. But you know, it is a nice size, so that was a plus. So I got a lot of I got quite a bit of room to work with. Down here, this rug, my mom bought me that rug. It's from Walmart. This fish tank stand is from a tank that I used to have up in my room, but I took that down. I used to have two, now I only have one. And I have more supplies in that corner over there. Right here, I just have my my vacuum cleaner. In this bin, I have some sheets and covers I got folded up. Over here in this corner, I have my studio lights that I need to set up because I'm about to start filming. My scooter that I take to school sometimes. Back there, I just have some cleaning products. And then I have my little broom and Swiffer. In that corner, I just have that little chest. I keep like my earrings and chains and stuff in there. Up here, I have a few shoes. The few clothes that I have left, I got hung up right there. My face towels, my big towels and all that. My steamer, iron. I also got some backpacks up there. Right next to that, I have my shelf that I purchased from Walmart. My closet was actually a lot more cluttered before I got this, so this was definitely a lifesaver. It was real easy to put up. You didn't need no tools or nothing. I just put all my stuff that I need for my bathroom on that top shelf, like paper towels, toilet paper. I got trash bags, hand soap, wipes, all of that. On this shelf, I put like all my hair products. And down there, I just put my body washes, scrubs, moisturizers. On that shelf, I have like my bath stuff and deodorants, toothpaste, and extra things I might need down there. I just stuffed my air mattress down there, and I got some extra baskets down there that I put too. But yeah, that's my closet.